How to use the PayPal app or website to print the shipping labels here on your PayPal account. So yes, this is my homepage on PayPal. You just need to sign in with your email address and the password. Now follow these steps in order to create a shipping label. This article has information related to purchasing shipping labels from the PayPal Shipping Center, how you can access or buy a label page. In the PayPal Shipping Center, click Buy a Shipping Label in the Actions menu. From the Order Detail page, click the Buy a Shipping Label button on the top right. From the Activities transaction list, in your PayPal account, click Print Shipping Label. Now, how to create a domestic label? Select your shipping location. If you have added multiple shipping locations in PayPal Shipping, your customers' ship to address will automatically populate from the order details. Fill in the requested information like confirmation, insurance, or additional handling request you want to add to it. And now, by default, USPS or UPS include insurance coverage up to $100 for specific services. This is how you can calculate it. Now click the calculate rates button, and then fourth step will be simply select your desired shipping service. The shipping service selection displays and it will give you the menu. Now click the buy label button to purchase the label, and then you will be directed to order summary page where you can review your shipment details, shipping cost, and select your funding from your wallet or to cash, from which instrument you will like to order. Now select the print icon to print the label from your browser. Click on the download icon for your browser to save it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.